It's interesting how big of a box this is for such a small band right here. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, computers, tablets, tech accessories, cases, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is Apple's green Alpine Loop band for none other than the Apple Watch Ultra right here. And I bought mine in the large size. So without further ado, let's start getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, we have a picture of this band. Over here, it says 49mm large because yes, I got the bigger size. And over here, it says green Alpine Loop. Over here on the top we got nothing, and over here on the bottom we got the easy peel tab. We can just pull on this right here so we can open up the box, and then let's go ahead and pop it open. Ooh, voila, that is a cool opening right there. It's interesting how big of a box this is for such a small band right here. Let's see, do we have anything else in there? Nope, we can put this to the side, and here's the actual band itself. Let me pop this guy out right here. Look at that. And then also in the box, we've got some paperwork, and that's it. Very simple unboxing right here. We can go ahead and pop my Apple Watch Ultra off of my wrist. As you can see, I'm currently rocking it with Apple's stainless steel link bracelet right here, but let's go ahead and take this band off my watch using the band ejector buttons on the bottom, and we can pull the Apple Watch itself out right here, and there you go, beautiful Apple Watch. And then we can go ahead and put this band on my watch. So I believe this end goes on the top right here, and then I believe this end goes down here at the bottom. We can slide that in. Oh yeah, and let's pull the G hook right here out, and wow, this is definitely a secure buckle right here because you got to pull it just the right way to make sure it comes out. And then right here we can make it nice and big so we can put it on my wrist. Just be careful with this Alpine Loop not to pull it too much out and then have the G hook scratch your Apple Watch and hit it. Definitely don't want to do that. So we can go ahead and put it on my wrist right here, and then we can pull it tight. There we go, and I can wrap it around right here. And now let's put the G hook in through one of these little bumps right here by just pushing it in right there. And as you can see, the hook right here comes out through the other side, so it won't come out. There it is, nice and secure. And wow, check this out. How do you guys think this looks on my wrist right here? I think I'm gonna make it a bit tighter actually, so let's see if I can go ahead and do that. Again, it's a bit hard to get it off just because of that hook right there, but that is probably a good thing. That is kind of the point of the band, right? So let's make it, oh yeah, nice and tight here, and maybe bring it around, I don't know, here. Wow, that is pretty high up. Can I get that on? Okay, you know what, actually that is probably too tight, it's starting to hurt. So how about right here? Will this let me put it in? Oh yeah, there we go. And voila, now it is nice and tight on my wrist right here. But I feel like this might be too tight, so maybe I'll move it down one more loop right here. We can put it, how about right through this one? And yeah, I think that's definitely better right there. How does this look, folks? It is kind of interesting though how the loop goes over itself a second time. As you can see here, we have two layers of it just by nature of this loop. And I wonder if it might get annoying over time because look, this piece right here kind of flops around a bit when you play with it. So yeah, what do you guys think of that? Also up here, it looks like this might be sticking out a bit, but maybe not, I don't know. Overall, folks, though, I do think this is a pretty cool looking design, especially the two-tone design right here where the loops are, because this green right here is a bit lighter than the green of the rest of it. I think that looks cool. And I also think the titanium G hook right here looks cool, as well as the titanium end pieces here and here that actually put the band in the watch. But I will admit the fact that it kind of can move around like this in the two layers, I do find that a bit weird. But you know what, maybe if I just move it up a loop, make it a bit tighter, then the band will move around less. And it seems like it still moves around in that position. Maybe if I just do like one more right here, make it quite tight. And I mean, on this loop right here, I can't even really get it in. So I guess we can leave it on the first one. I don't want to accidentally break this band right here. So let's put this in. And yeah, I mean, with that, folks, there's not really much more to say about this green Alpine Loop for the Apple Watch Ultra right here. If you folks want it for yourselves, it will set you back about $100. So it is definitely on the more expensive side of Apple Watch bands, but feel free to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the Alpine Loop. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And folks, for sizing, if you are wondering, my wrist size, at least according to my own measurements, is about 184 millimeters or 7¼ inches. So just for your curiosity there, if anyone's wondering. But folks, anyway, if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.